Hey, before you swipe this video away, can I tell you something real quick? Be sure today, before you start your day, or close your eyes tonight, tell God thank you. It could have been your house swiped away, along with your car and family members. Tell God thank you today. You still have a job to go to this morning. And come home and wash your funky body. There's many others that don't have that right now. They wish they can go back to their 9 to 5, but they can't. That cell phone you got in your hand right now, watching me from, it's going to be months until the next person touch another cell phone. You're blessed, you still can. It's about to get cold, and there's water and debris everywhere. That's not you. You're blessed. Be thankful. Tell Lord thank you.